How you all doing today? I'm determined today is going to be a more productive day. Got up nice and early, so I'm going to get straight on the video. And yeah, then we need to figure out what we're doing. I found a spot a little bit down the road, so we'll go try that. It's actually in the town or the village where I need to pick up my parcel from. We'll go have a look there. It looks like there's a few trees around, so I might be able to find some firewood. If not, I'm going to have to go a bit more afield and find some. I don't want to be running out. I was going to head to the Glen Shee ski place, but the weather's just crap, so I don't know. I had a look, it's raining on there at the minute, and all the snow's melting, so it's not going to be that good, is it, until they have a load more snow. Maybe I head back round. I can always go to Aviemore again, or that Cairngorm Mountain, if we get a bit of snow, and just have a ski there again. I really enjoyed it there, it's brilliant. I'm not sure what the other ones are like, but I kind of get the feeling that's the best one. Obviously you've got Glencoe as well, and Nevis. Maybe I'll hang around here, wait for this parcel, head back towards Aviemore, see if I can get one more ski in there, and then just have a drive over to Glencoe area. God, we've got a right bloody stiff neck today. Oh, I must have slept funny or something. Right, let's get this video made and get on with the day. Right, well, this walk's probably going to result in me getting absolutely drenched. We've got to go have a quick look, haven't we? Fingers crossed we get more of this stuff, eh? There you go. Coolgarth Castle. One hell of a view. The park up was, well, gone. Just drove by the spa though, that's where my parcel was coming on Thursday. It's a bit annoying because I came out of the way up here as well. Pull it in for a minute and have a look. No. Right, so I found a potential spot. So even if I don't stay, I can swing by, get some firewood, and then go find another one. It's about 12 miles away. Right. So apparently the actual spot is up that little path there. I'm going to go and have a walk and see what it looks like. So there we go, folks. Got a sweat on after that. Jesus. Right, I'm not going to stay here. It's lovely. I love being in forest, especially ones like that. I didn't take too much firewood. It won't last me that long, but that's why I was being picky with the wood, because if you get it too soft, it's just useless. It burns really fast. But I did manage to find that there was a massive branch that had sort of snapped off and was dangling in the tree. So, ooh, fighter jet's going over. I love that sound. Absolutely love it. It's such power. Amazing how they come over up here so low. Park for night. Where are we? There's loads of spots here. Check that one first, and then you've got visitor centre, toilets and fresh water. Ooh, this might be nice. There's loads of spots around here. 2 minutes away. Right, let's go check it out. In spots like that, I tend to be more alert, and if anyone did sort of roll up in the night, whether they meant ill intention or not, I'd shit myself. So yeah, it's not worth it. I like to have a good night's sleep. And so far, after all of these years, my don't settle mentality has done me well, apart from the doggers and the chavs, but they were all in the same bloody place. Yeah, I'll stick to what I know. Didn't expect it to be quite this busy. I told you, didn't I, folks? I told you every time. Never bloody settle. Well, I decided to move. I know, call me picky. The don't settle mentality has got me this far, and well, it's just done it again for me, hasn't it? So, new home for the night. So there we go, folks. That's not bad. A couple of cars in here, but I'm sure they'll go. That visitor centre was just way too busy for my liking. Spot's even got 4 bars of 4G in a forest. Definitely can't complain at that. So I'm going to take a little wander in there. Take the camera, just in case anything's about. And yeah, just see what's around, really. Might find something, might not. But the weather's gorgeous, so it'd be rude not to. We got water. These Christmas trees. Look at this, gorgeous. This is the thing about doing what I do, you just see so much. Like, I've only drove a couple of miles today. I've been in, what, like 3 different places. Love it, it's brilliant. Oh. This is the thing, once I get the proper water filter, you know, I could even bring it down to here, fill the thing up. So nice. I'm not being funny, but so far, all the time I've spent in Scotland, the weather's been glorious. And all my life, whenever anyone's talked about Scotland, it's how bad the bloody weather is. So I'm not sure what's going on there. Maybe I just bring good luck. They've even, that's dedication right there. built the bridge around the little trees. That's awesome. And something's caught my eye in the middle of it. This tree here. See, with all the bits of fungus. I'm not really sure. I don't know why I like it, but for some reason I like it. So I'm going to pull the camera out and have a look. Right, so here's my... I still don't really know what it is I like about it. But again, I'm on the XT2. This time I'm using the 50mm f2 Fuji lens. I'm just gonna give it a try. 2-second timer, so you don't get any camera shake. And there it is. Again, don't really know why I like it, but why not? It's like someone started trying to build a raft. Yeah. It's an amazing place. Here we go. Stick one of these bad boys in the back. I'll be good for about 2 months. I don't even know if I'm supposed to be here. Oh well. Oh, I love it. Stick me in a forest anywhere and I'll be happy. And back to the van. Yeah, all the cars are left now. It's just us. It's just ridiculous, isn't it? Compare that to the gardens of the last 7 days. Anyone who doesn't think this lifestyle is worth it is a fool, as far as I'm concerned. So that's me done for the evening. Time to chill out, have a glass of Audi's finest. Well, I have mentioned this quite a few times, but I'll mention it again quick just in case you haven't seen it. I keep getting questions about these blinds. These are nothing special. They're literally 2 pieces of reflective foil, the same size, sandwiched together and glued, and then I've just put tape around the outside. I mean, that's where I cut it too short, so I had to extend it. There's literally nothing, and that's where Leon destroyed the bloody thing. Cheers, pal. But all I do is cut to the exact size, so that I push it in the window like that, tuck it in, and that's it. And you can see, so it's one large piece, and then this central pillar, the whole thing slots behind that. And all I do is put that in there and just tuck it, and then they sort of stay in place. I've got the same thing for this one. It's rolled up just down there, if you can see it. But that one's slightly different. It's got eyelets in it, and it hooks onto these tiny little hooks just up here. But yeah, it's nothing fancy. I didn't buy them, so there you go. Pause the music because, you know, copyright and all that. That might be okay, I don't know. Oh, folks, so I'm currently sat on the roof of my van in the middle of Scotland, drinking some whiskey, looking at the stars. Pretty good end to a pretty damn good day, to be honest. This reminds me of when I left in the summer, and I was just in these places. Like, remember that spot in Switzerland? I remember just sitting here, just looking. I didn't even have the roof deck then, so I was just sat on the metal. But just like on my own in another country. I know this isn't another country technically. It's such a strange experience, it really is. It's hard to explain. So I miss Marie, obviously. You know, this is something, it's one of those things, it's like you either do it or you don't, and if you want to do it, you can't let anything stop you, because then it will never happen. I'm not trying to be depressing, I'm just saying I'm quite happy right now. I want to try and look at some more people's vans. I've not done a van tour for a little bit, but other than, you know, as well as that, I'd like to meet some people that are up here. Who's up in Scotland right now? Drop me an email to ash_pollard@hotmail.co.uk and we'll have a chat. Yeah, I'll be up for meeting up with some people. I love seeing people's vans, that's why I started doing the van videos in the first place. Right, I think I'm going to end the video there because there's no point carrying on. I'm just going to watch telly now and go to bed. So hopefully tomorrow will be as fun. Yet again, don't know what the hell I'm doing, it's all good. But I shall see you then, so I'll catch you in a bit.